Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate fraction on mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and then first of all we need to download an application called Fraction Calculator. You can go to your Play Store or Apple Store if you are iOS user to get the fraction calculator. I'm going to go to my Play Store, and then we can go to the search menu and search for fraction calculator. Okay, and as you can see guys, I have installed this application on my mobile phone. If you haven't installed this application, you can install it first, and then after we have installed, we can click on open. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how this application works. If you want to calculate fraction, you can use this side. This is for the numerator and this is for the denominator. Okay, and if you don't want to calculate fraction, you can use this side. Okay, and let's try to calculate fraction using this calculator. For example, I'm going to add 1 per 2. Okay, and you'll be able to plus it, or you can multiply it. It's up to you. And I'm just going to add the fraction. I'm going to, oops, sorry, this is for the denominator, and then denominator. Okay, and let's take a look at the final result. If you want to get the result, you can click on this one. Okay, and this is the result guys. And if you don't want to calculate fraction, you can use this side. I'm just going to multiply it. Okay, and click on this one. And this is the result. Basically, if you want to calculate fraction, you just need to use this side. And if you want to clear the result, you can click on the C button like this. Okay, and I'm going to try again guys. Oops, sorry. Okay, all right, and let's take a look at the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to calculate fraction on mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.